Craving McDonald's but want to skip the line? We're diving into how to order your next Big Mac super easily by using the McDonald's app directly within Doordash. First, fire up your Doordash app and tap on the search bar located at the top of the screen. Type in McDonald's and select the McDonald's restaurant closest to you. Now browse the glorious McDonald's menu just like you normally would, and add all your favorites to your cart. Once you've filled your digital basket with all those goodies, tap the View Cart button at the bottom of your screen. Here's where the magic happens. Depending on your location and Doordash promotions, you might see options to link or use your McDonald's app deals and rewards. Keep an eye out for discounted items and special offers. Review your order, confirm your delivery address, and finalize your payment method. Hit that place order button and prepare for that golden arches goodness to arrive right at your doorstep. Enjoy!